Okay, here's the tutorial on how to disable the sounds on the SJ4000 camera. This video is intentionally black so that you can see the menu. So that let's start up the camera. That was the startup sound, and let's press the button on the front to enter the menu. Now use the keys on the side to navigate up or down, and I will use the up key because the sounds are on the end of the list. So press the up key, and here on the 6th page, here down, you can see 6 out of 8 we have beep sounds. Let's enter beep sounds with the button on the top and set it to off, and close it with the one on the top. And now if we move up and down, there's absolutely no sound. Even if I hold the button to turn it off, there's no sound. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.